This next video is quite similar to the one we just did. That was a quizzer, but this time it's I'm saying a tutor or study buddy. And lots of people study much better if they can have an interactive conversation together. So, so my idea for this one is act as a study buddy or tutor, and I am a beginning community college student. And if you said study buddy like that, we didn't tell it to be an expert. We told it to be like a peer student, like we have peer student tutoring. So that might make a difference. I don't know. We'll see. We can have a conversation on a topic. I'm studying. I will ask the first question. So just so we know what the rules of engagement are, we want to make sure that nobody gets confused. I came back to Codebreaker again, and I said we're going to start a new subject, and I typed the beginning. You don't have to watch me type, right? It said, of course, I'm here to help. Please go ahead and ask your first question about the topic you're studying in your computer class. I thought of two, so maybe we'll have time for two. What is the difference between, you have to spell right, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Open Office? Why should I care? I wonder what it'll say. I haven't done this before, so I don't know. Ooh, look at that, 5, 6. Okay, here we go. 6 seconds. Depends on how busy it is, depends on your internet. Okay, let's see here. Woo, it wrote a lot. Here are the key differences. And look at, I could then do an iteration and say, could you please reformat this into a table? Maybe I should do that, huh? Reformat this into a table that I could export. That's an idea too. Anyway, so there's a list. And why should you care? And here's it's saying functionality, collaboration, accessibility, costs, and so on. So I really liked your explanation of the 3 programs. Please reformat that information. I'm going to say reformat, we'll see, into a table that I could export to Word. You always say please. Be nice. Be please. Yeah. Okay, so here it did. And again, remember mine zoomed in pretty far, so the table doesn't look very good, but you could copy it, click and drag, copy it and paste it. Let me see. Maybe I'll tell it just for fun since we're here. Oh, 3 minutes. I was thinking to say, oh, I could ask it to do something else, but who cares? Let's ask a different question. Okay, you ask me a question now. Let's see what it does. I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know. I didn't do this before. Here. Oh, here's a question. What are differences between cloud storage and local storage, and how might these impact your approach to storing and accessing files as a community college student? Does that sound like an essay question I might ask? Okay. Well, let's see. Cloud storage is, well, let me go back and say, local storage is on my computer or device. Cloud storage is somewhere in the ether. I don't know if you've heard that phrase, but that's something to say. As a college student, I might want to store my files in the cloud so I can access them from anywhere. On the other hand, I would rather keep some private business documents, I'll say, stored locally in case of an emergency. Okay, I answered. We'll see what it says. Let's see. That's great response. It's important to consider the benefits of local visitors. You see this conversation that we have. Now I could ask it a question or I could tell it, do you have more questions? Let me know. So you could talk more about the same topic or you could start a new topic or you ask me a question or I ask you a question, go back and forth. Very, very effective study technique. And oh, by the way, how about this? Um, please tell me how to um, format a graphic in Word so the text will wrap around it. And since we're still saying computer tutor, I didn't write all the rest of that stuff because we're already in that topic. So here are some really nice instructions that can be very helpful to you if you need to know how to do a thing. You could also go to YouTube and look for a video, but the point of this is using AI. So that was kind of fun, do you think? Ooh, I'm sorry, I went to 6 minutes. I'll try and do better next time. Bye.